I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I get out of bed quickly. I get out of bed quickly. I open the windows for fresh air. I open the windows for fresh air. I make the bed neatly. I make the bed neatly. I pick up clothes from the floor. I pick up clothes from the floor. I put my things in the right place. I put my things in the right place. I go to the kitchen and start cleaning. I go to the kitchen and start cleaning. I wash the dishes in the sink. I wash the dishes in the sink. I dry the dishes with a towel. I dry the dishes with a towel. I wipe the kitchen counter. I wipe the kitchen counter. I clean the stove after cooking. I clean the stove after cooking. I sweep the kitchen floor. I sweep the kitchen floor. I mop the floor carefully. I mop the floor carefully. I clean the sink every day. I clean the sink every day. I empty the trash can. I empty the trash can. I take out the trash outside. I take out the trash outside. I clean the fridge door. I clean the fridge door. I organize the kitchen drawers. I organize the kitchen drawers. I wipe the dining table. I wipe the dining table. I clean the microwave inside. I clean the microwave inside. I go to the living room. I go to the living room. I dust the furniture. I dust the furniture. I wipe the TV screen carefully. I wipe the TV screen carefully. I clean the coffee table. I clean the coffee table. I vacuum the carpet. I vacuum the carpet. I clean under the sofa. I clean under the sofa. I arrange the pillows nicely. I arrange the pillows nicely. I wipe the shelves. I wipe the shelves. I clean the light switches. I clean the light switches. I clean the door handles. I clean the door handles. I go to the bedroom. I go to the bedroom. I organize my clothes. I organize my clothes. I fold my clothes neatly. I fold my clothes neatly. I hang my clothes in the closet. I hang my clothes in the closet. I clean the closet shelves. I clean the closet shelves. I dust the furniture again. I dust the furniture again. I vacuum the bedroom floor. I vacuum the bedroom floor. I clean under the bed. I clean under the bed. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I clean the sink carefully. I clean the sink carefully. I wipe the mirror. I wipe the mirror. I wash the toilet carefully. I wash the toilet carefully. I clean the shower walls. I clean the shower walls. I mop the bathroom floor. I mop the bathroom floor. I change the towels every few days. I change the towels every few days. I organize the bathroom items. I organize the bathroom items. I go to the balcony. I go to the balcony. I sweep the floor outside. I sweep the floor outside. I clean the windows with water. I clean the windows with water. I wipe the glass carefully. I wipe the glass carefully. I check the whole house. I check the whole house. I fix anything out of place. I fix anything out of place. I enjoy my clean home. I enjoy my clean home. I feel happy and relaxed. I feel happy and relaxed. I sit down and take a short break. I sit down and take a short break. I drink a cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee. I look around and smile. I look around and smile. I feel proud of my clean home. I feel proud of my clean home. I open my phone and check messages. I open my phone and check messages. I relax on the sofa for a while. I relax on the sofa for a while. I turn on the TV for a short time. I turn on the TV for a short time. I plan what to do next. I plan what to do next. I prepare something simple to eat. I prepare something simple to eat. I eat my meal slowly. I eat my meal slowly. I clean the table after eating. I clean the table after eating. I wash the dishes again. I wash the dishes again. I dry everything carefully. I dry everything carefully. I wipe the kitchen counter again. I wipe the kitchen counter again. I check the trash and empty it. I check the trash and empty it. I close the windows if needed. I close the windows if needed. I turn off the lights in empty rooms. I turn off the lights in empty rooms. I spray a fresh smell in the house. I spray a fresh smell in the house. I light a candle for a nice scent. I light a candle for a nice scent. I open the door for fresh air. I open the door for fresh air. I sit and enjoy the clean space. I sit and enjoy the clean space. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel calm and relaxed. I listen to soft music. I listen to soft music. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I stretch my body slowly. I stretch my body slowly. I drink some water. I drink some water. I check my schedule for today. I check my schedule for today. I get ready for the next task. I get ready for the next task. I feel ready and active. I feel ready and active. I start my day with good energy. I start my day with good energy.